Do you want to plan professional level drone flights in minutes and for free? Meet UgCS Open, the powerful mission planning tool available now for everyone. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can plan your first mission and get it onto your drone. And now let's get started. So now when we are inside of UgCS, let's start by planning our first mission. In this case, I'll be creating a photogrammetry mission. And to do that, first click here on Create New Route, then select Create Route from Scratch, click Next. In this screen, select the drone model that you want to use. You can use the search function or simply select one drone from this list. I will be using the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise. Then click on Next, select the route type that you want to fly. I will be using a photogrammetry route type. And then also select either area or corridor in this window. I'll be using an area. Okay, and now you can mark out the area that you want to survey. So now I'll just be holding down the Shift button and marking out the area over which I want the drone to fly. So let's, for example, mark out this area like so. And now we can take a look at some of these parameters here. We can see that the camera is set to wide, the ground resolution is set to 1 centimeter, and also we can open up the elevation profile so we can see the actual flight height. And you can see that the route altitude range will be from 38 to 40 meters. And also by dragging this cursor, you can also see the exact altitude AGL over each part of the route. Next to flight speed, you can see this is set to 5 meters per second. The overlaps are set to 80 and 80. Turn type is adaptive bank turn. And altitude node will be using the smart AGL. So you can do other changes to this route as well, but in this case, I'll just try to keep it simple. And now once we have this basic route done, I'll show you how you can export it into the controller and get flying. There are a few different ways to get this route on your drone. Depending on what drone you have, the process might be slightly different. Check out these next episodes in our list to see how to connect your exact drone model and get flying.